Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to turn off or power off your iPhone when the button is not working. Okay, when the power button is not working, for example in the power button, right? So if you press volume up or power button together, it will be turned off. You can see this slide to power off options. If the button is not working, right, you can easily power off. Okay, so I'm going to show that. So here, right, just scroll down on the right corner, scroll down right corner. Here you can see this power options. There is a power button. So here is the power button. So I'm going to tap it, tap the power button. You need to press and hold. Okay, cancelling it, scroll down. Okay, you need to press and hold this power button. So that's it, friends. Now you can slide to power off. That's it. Now to turn it on, you need to press this power button. So that's it, friends. When the button is not working, you can use this method. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.